Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of changing the name of your YouTube channel. Let's get started. Head to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Then select View Your Channel. Ensure that the correct account is selected. If not, click on Switch and select the desired account. Next, click on Customize Channel located here. It may take a moment to load, and you'll be directed to the channel customization page. Next, navigate to the right side and click on Basic Info. At the top, you'll see the option for name. Simply type in your desired name. Please note that changes made to your name and picture are only visible on YouTube and not on other Google services. Additionally, you can change your name twice in a 14-day period. For this example, let's say I want to name the channel Rexon, but you can choose to customize yours differently. Once you're satisfied with your changes, simply go to the top right corner and click on Publish. You'll see it saving, and once completed, it'll say Changes Published at the bottom. It might take a moment or two for everything to save and update. Now, when you click on View Channel on YouTube, you'll see that the name has been successfully changed. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.